Friends, we have seen techniques of how to find cube roots of perfect cubes and square roots of perfect squares. Now I will teach you a technique of squaring numbers. We have already seen the base method which can be used for squaring numbers. But before that, I would like to teach you a very small technique of Vedic maths which can be used to square numbers between 50 and 60. It has very limited application, but yet it's a good technique, so I thought we would discuss this in our course. Let us see, friends, how to square numbers between 50 and 60. We will take 3 to 4 small examples before moving ahead with the technique of squaring using the base method. Suppose, friends, I want to find the square of, say, 56. That means the same number will come above and below. Then let us find out 58 times 58, say 59 times 59, and 53 times 53. Let us see how to get the answers of such question. Well, what we do is we add this number to 25 and write here. So 6 plus 25 is 31, and then we multiply these numbers and write down. 6 6 is 36. This is your answer. I repeat once again, add this number to 25 and write here, square this number and write here. Similarly, add this number to 25 and write here. 8 plus 25 is 33, and then square this number and write here. Square of 8 is 64. 8 times 8 is 64. This is your answer. Once again, add this number to 25 and write here. 9 plus 25 is 34. And next, square this number and write here. Square of 9 is 81. Let us look at the last example. Add this number to 25 and write down. 25 plus 3 is 28. And then square the number. 3 square is 9, but we need a 2-digit answer. So your answer is 2809. Thus you see how easy it is to square numbers between 50 and 60. But of course this has limited application. Next I will teach you the base method for squaring, which can be used for a variety of numbers. Friends, we have already seen how to use the base method for multiplication. Next we will see how to use the base method for squaring. Suppose I want to find the square of the number 96. Ask yourself, to which power of 10 is this closer to? Is 96 closer to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000? Well, we know 96 is closer to 100. So our base in this case is 100. So if the number is 96, base is 100, and the difference between 100 and 96 is 4. So let me find the square of 96. What is 96 times 96? Vedic math says you will involve 2 steps. I will tell you what are the 2 steps. From this number, I add this number 96 plus minus 4. Plus and minus becomes minus. 96 minus 4 is 92. And then I square this number and write here. Square of 4 is 16. This is my answer. You see how quickly we got it. 9216. The square of 96 is 9216, which we got in only one line without any intermediary step. That is why, friends, we say that Vedic math always helps you to get the answer in one line and very fast. The square of 96 is 9216. Next, friends, let us find the square of the number 988. Ask yourself, is 988 closer to 10, 100, 1000? We know it is closer to 1000. So our base in this case will be 1000. Next, the difference between 1000 and 988 is negative 12. 88 minus 12 will give us 9. 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 988 minus 12 is 976. And next we find the square of 12. Square of 12 is 144. Thus friends, our final answer is 976144. The only thing that you have to check in such cases, as I said, howsoever many zeros in the base, that many digits in the right hand side. So here we see there are 3 zeros in 1000. That means right hand side must be a 3-digit answer. The square must be equal to the number of zeros in the base. 3 zeros, that means 3-digit answer. So we have completed the square. 988 times 988 is 976144. Friends, next let us find the square of the number 107. Now, the base in this case will be 100 because the number is closer to 100, and the difference will be plus 7 because 107 is 7 more than 100. Let us find the square. As I said, to this number I add this and write down. Next I square this and write down. So 107 plus 7 is 114. And next I square this number and write here. Square of 7 is 49. And we can check 2 zeros in 100 and 2 digits in the right hand part of the answer. So friends, the square of 107 is 11449. Friends, let us find the square of the number 98. The base in this case will be 100 because the number is closer to 100, and the difference between these two numbers is 2. Since it is less than 100, it will be minus 2. Let us find the square of 98. From this number, you suffix this and write here. 98 minus 2 is 96. Next, I square this number and write here. Square of 2 is 4. But as I said, since there are 2 zeros in the base, I need a 2-digit answer. So instead of writing square of 2 as 4, I write 0, 4. That means friends, the square of 98 is 9604. Friends, next let us find the square of the number 1003. This is the last example we will see in this series. 1003 is closer to 1000. The number is 1003. It is closer to 1000, so the base will become 1000. The difference between these two numbers is plus 3 because 1003 is 3 more than 1000. So let me get a square of 1003. 1003 plus 3 gives me 1006. And next I have to square this number and write down. Square of 3 is 9. But because there are 3 zeros over here, I need a 3-digit answer. So instead of writing square of 3 as 9, I write 0, 0, 9. Thus the final answer is 1006009. Thus friends, we see how using the base method we can do the square of any number and get the answer instantly. I hope you have liked this technique. Next we move on to other examples.